Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So today I'm not going to be on camera as much. I'm going to be doing a studio slash filming room tour. It's been long overdue, but I finally cleaned it up. It's finally looking good. My cats are just exploring. You walk in, this is what my door's looking like at the moment. I'm collecting really cool stickers and sticking them on my door. These were some Pride ones that I got given from someone. I think they look really cool, and so my plan is to cover my whole door with those. They're not actually stuck on, they're stuck on with blue tack, so it won't ruin the door or anything. Then we walk in and I've got my pin collection here. I don't have very many at the moment because I've kind of been slacking off buying them. What are you doing, Chanel? So yeah, these are just the ones I have at the moment. Yeah. So then we've got these shelves. The lighting's not the best at the moment, especially when the cats open the blinds. But yeah, these are what my shelves are looking like. This is mainly for all my art stuff. I think these shelves might have been from Bunnings, maybe from, well, the lighting. I'm not sure where I got these shelves. Oh, actually, they might have been Officeworks, I'm not sure, but they're really cheap. So I've got my pop figure collection up here. I collect the Joker and Harley Quinn, but I'm like really far behind and I need to get a lot more, but these are just the ones I have at the moment. And then I have a little Lego Joker down there. Yeah, the camera wants to focus. Yep, so he's there. Then this shelf, I have just some magazines and stuff on like jewelry making. I have a Sagittarius candle, a London themed mug. This I actually need to fix. It's broken. I need to fix it to put on the dining table. 2 vases that I painted, a mug that I'm going to paint, and then just a book from one of my videos. Hi. So this shelf, I have a bag just hanging here, and also on this side just because. I have this photo thing of focus of me and my sister. This shelf I have a box. This is mainly stuff that I'm using for like craft projects, and I just have some candles down there for something else. I have a bottle of water here that looks really gross, but I use that for when I'm doing acrylic pouring. I have a little thing, oh my god, this lighting is so bad, I really hope you can see this, but I have a little tub with Sharpies and whiteboard markers, and I have just some other art tools. I have some hand sanitizer, some pins, just some random nail polish, my paint brushes. This is for dirty water, which looks disgusting, but I'm reusing it. This is full of icy pole sticks, like this whole thing is just full of them. I got like a huge pack for when I was really into acrylic pouring, and I use them for just a bunch of other stuff. I got some safety pins here, some stencils and stuff, my acrylic paints, some mini easels. Here I have some more Polaroid photos of me and Zach. Then I have my jewelry that I made with acrylic pouring. Down here I have like these clamps if I need to hold anything on there. I have some resin up the back. I have some Floetrol. I have some like just random stuff, hot glue gun which I haven't opened yet. Some Q-tips, a blowtorch thinger, some protective spray, alcohol, cotton pads, acetone. This box is just random stuff. Down here I have just other random stuff that I don't really have anywhere else to put. This is all like hair stuff, or if I like have an appointment where I need to do someone's hair. This is all like coasters that I made that I need to finish with resin. So yeah, that's my shelves. Then over here I have these drawers. They're not labeled yet because I need to get my partner's label maker. But on top of the shelves I have a photo of me and my 2 friends. Some fake plants. In this drawer I have camera battery chargers. This is all like filming equipment and camera equipment. That's all like pen pal stuff, which I won't show because there's letters and stuff in there. Just like camera boxes. and that's like spare paper and sheet protectors. And then here I have some mini canvases I painted. Then a bunch of Polaroid photos there, which look really cool. Then I have this fake plant from IKEA, which I love. It looks really realistic, which is nice. Then I have this mirror from IKEA, which is absolutely massive, but I love it. And I've just got a bag that my partner's mom got me from Bali. You can come see my filming setup in the background there. But that's my huge mirror. Then you come over to the left and I've got my sort of makeup area. So I've got my makeup desk here. I've got my office chair. Then this tabletop is from IKEA. And these two Alex drawers from IKEA. Then I've got my Hollywood mirror that was from Kmart. I think from the Boxing Day? Black Friday maybe. Like the day where there's like all like special sales and stuff. I got this from Kmart. They don't sell it anymore from what I believe. I think it was just a one-day sale. I've got my little mirror there. This is just empty at the moment. That's all my beauty sponges, my eye and lip brushes, and my face brushes. Just some random paperwork that needs to be put away. These shelves, that's what they look like. I keep all the blinds shut in here just because when I'm filming I have artificial lights and I don't want the natural light to be messing with it, so I keep all the blinds shut. The top shelf, I just have that little frame, but I need to get some proper Polaroids to stick on it. Then I've got this little see-through fairy thing. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Then I've got my London booth money box. I've got this little sparkly flower that my Nana and Pa gave me. This fake plant, which is also from IKEA, which I think is super pretty. I've got this bracelet holder that's also got some headbands on it. I'm not sure where these are from, but you can find them online or like at the reject shop or something. Then I've got this necklace holder one. They're both acrylic. Then I've got this 18 glass that I got on my 18th birthday. Then this shelf, I've got this like love heart hand thing from Typo. Then these are both actually eyeshadow palettes from Revolution, but I just think they're really cute, like the little teddy bears. That's a photo of me when I was a baby with my mom. Another fake plant, this one's from Kmart. This shelf, I've got this little love thing, which I've had for ages. This that I've had for ages, it's just a little like container thing. In the back, I've got cotton balls and Q-tips. In this one I've got like hair clips and like just disposable stuff. This is disposable mascara wands, which I used to use when I was doing makeup for like a job. This is all my gel nail stuff, so I've got my nail lamp, I've got like nail polish remover, all my gel nail polish is in there. Then I've got some paper towel which I use to do my nails on so I don't make a huge mess. And then that's all my, if you've seen my removing gel polish video, you'll know that I use these clips to help remove my gel polish. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. So the makeup desk, which I've talked about. I have this little thing that I got from someone just hanging there. Same with this one, which is really pretty. Then I've got this little snow globe, which I've had since I was like born. It's a little musical one, it's Snow White. And then I've got this, which I have my palettes on, just to sort of display them there. Oh, my cats are going in the blinds again. I have this blackboard, which I'm not really sure what to use for yet. I might write some quotes on it. I have my Polaroid camera. I have this that my dad got me. I have this glass that I got for my birthday, and I've just filled it with seashells that I've collected. I have this little cactus light from Typo. I've got my conspiracy palette in the back, and these are more of my like everyday lipsticks in this acrylic holder. These are all my perfumes, and that one's empty for now. I'm not sure what exactly to put in there yet. Then for my favorite area, this is my filming area. So I have my desk. It's not the cutest looking desk, but it serves me well and I really like it. So yeah, this is where I film. I've got my backdrop there with my fairy lights. I've got my softbox lights here. I just store them over here so they're like out of the way. But usually I have that one there, and then that one I put over here. Then I've got my ring light, and my camera is just on there because it's just easier to store it there. And then the cord goes under my desk, and I have a huge pile of electrical stuff down there. At the moment it's kind of a mess just because like this is reality, this is how my desk usually looks, so I've just kept it like this. I've got my laptop, I've got water, random scissors I use all the time, stuff plugged in, USBs, SD cards, all that jazz. I've got a cord with a charger there because my phone always dies while I'm sitting here. I've got my chair, there's a better look at my ring light and all my other stuff behind there. Coco's come in to have a look. I've also got bin bags because I was cleaning in here. Yeah, my cats love sitting in those blinds and looking out onto the road. So that's my big pile of electrical stuff. I have like my laptop charger down there, the cords for all my lights, the cords for my fairy lights, just everything is just down there. Down here I have my old laptop which I was going through yesterday. This top drawer I have all like my pens and stuff like that. I got this tray from Big W, I think. I've got some double-sided tape. She loves hopping in any open drawers, so Coco! So yeah, then I've got envelopes and just some other random stuff up the back. Then in this drawer I've got all scrap paper and paper I use for writing letters to my pen pals and stuff. Oh, now my cats are fighting. Yeah, this is just random paper and stuff. Then I've got these cupboards. This one, I've got all my art on. So I've got like paintings and stuff, digital art, just stuff that I've loved, that I've created, so I just stuck it on here. And I'm eventually gonna fill up these 3 doors. Oh, my mom's FaceTiming me. Then I've got these shelves, excuse that there, it's a little bit messy at the moment. These, I've got this camera, soft toy thing that I've had for ages. I've got a diffuser back there, and I've got 2 of my favourite pop figures here. Then this was Halloween decor from TK Maxx, which I absolutely love, so he's just staying there. It's spooky, I love it. I've got this red candle from IKEA. I got this from TK Maxx. Says this witch can be bribed with chocolate. Because I am a baby witch, for those who don't know, and I love chocolate, so there's a photo of me and Zach when we were in Geelong. This is like more of like a personal area. I don't really show people this area or really talk about it, but this is sort of like my witchy area. Yeah, it's not like, I don't know. So I have some old bottles that I got from the op shop here, which I can use for like moon water and stuff like that. I have this. So I'm gonna fill with like salt and stuff. There's just other stuff. These are like little like stones and crystals and stuff. My book of shadows. This book that like explains tarot. I've got my tarot cards there. Yeah, I won't go too much into detail with that shelf, but yeah, that's like my witchy sort of area. This I won't show too much because someone's address is there, but that's where I put my envelopes when I've written back to a pen pal and I need to send them off. This was from TK Maxx, another Halloween decor item. I just love it because it's got like palm reading, and I love like reading palms and that sort of stuff. This is all hair stuff, so I've got my hair dryer, hair straightener, curl formers, all that sort of stuff just chucked in there. And I'll go into these cupboards. Okay, so first cupboard, I've got this. This was just in a random frame that we bought, but I really liked the photo, so I just kept it. As soon as I open these cupboards, my cats always have to run in. So up here I've got some soft toys that I've had for ages and they mean a lot to me. Basically random stuff shoved up there. This, I've got my business cards, one of my other cameras, stuff for packing orders from my Etsy store. I've got some books and folders, some crocheting stuff because I've been learning to crochet, some magazines, an old tripod, that's all my earrings. I've got a yoga mat there. I'll go to the other cupboard. This cupboard, there's like roller skating stuff up there, sketchbooks and all that sort of stuff. I've got my reflector there. There's my yoga mat again. These drawers. My battery's dying. I hope I can get through this. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge my battery and be back. Okay, so my camera died. I charged it for a bit. I'm back. I think I was at the part where I was showing these drawers. These are from Officeworks. They're just cheap plastic drawers. Again, they're not labeled. I still need to label them. The top drawer, I have all my like art supplies. I have like pencils, Posca pens, stapler, all that sort of stuff. The next drawer I have all like my tools, so I have like gloves, blue tack, glue, all that sort of stuff, sandpaper, etc. This is basically all my pen paling stuff, so I have all my stickers in here, washi tape, scrapbook paper, all of that sort of stuff. Then the bottom drawer is empty. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet. Coco's looking very pretty. Hey baby. You sniff. Good girl. Then this cupboard. Oh, I didn't show up here, but it's basically just random stuff. That's just a random gym bag. Everything random is just up there. Here we have these two containers. The top is basically like stuff for videos and stuff to paint. I've got like a birdhouse in there, a bowl, extra canvases, that sort of stuff. Then I'm pretty sure in here is like just random, basically random stuff. I think there's like spare art supplies in there. Then against the wall I have a laptop stand and a laptop cushion thing. Coco. Basically like if I want to work on the couch or sitting on my beanbag, there's like stuff to put my laptop on. And that's basically it for the cupboard. Yeah, I think that's it. So that is my studio slash, there I am, I look gross right now, don't judge me. Yeah, that's it for my room tour. I've made a mess now, which I'm gonna clean up. But yeah, this is where I film, this is where I do my makeup and my art. Basically just my creative space, and I love it in here. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like down below, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I post. And I will be back next week with another video. Bye! I'm such a loser.